SiteOne is proud to announce products that give hardscape professionals the power to expand their business without the need for extra training or subcontractors. Chances are your team is trained to install a manufactured paver patio, a process that from the bottom up goes from soil subgrade to geotextile fabric to aggregate to bedding sand to the paver product. Well, now you can install premium stone flooring using the same process with the SiteOne Castle Collection, thanks to the product's consistent thickness. As you can see, the same layers are involved, which means you can offer your customers a huge variety of beautiful stone surfaces that you can easily install. Let's look at the process for installing our synthetic turf. Still the same layers. So now, with your same crew, you're not limited to installing pavers only. You can own the whole yard with stone flooring and synthetic turf, giving you the power to expand projects and add new customers without the need to subcontract or retrain. It's just another way SiteOne helps to make growing your business a little easier.